Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Omni Bioentrance, and today we will be discussing Pondicherry University MSc Entrance Exam question paper for the subject Biotechnology, which was conducted in the year 2015. So coming to the first question, which one of the following binding constants represents the highest affinity? So they have given the Kd and Ka values. So out of these, which one is having the highest affinity? So the smaller the Kd value, the greater is the binding affinity of the ligand for its substrate or target. So we have to see the one which is having smaller Kd value. So first one Kd is 1 into 10 raised to minus 9 molar. Next one Kd is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 9 molar. The third one they have given Ka value, that is 1 into 10 raised to 7 molar. Now we have to find the Kd value. The Kd value is for when Ka value is given as Ka is equal to 1 by Kd. Kd is equal to 1 by Ka. So 1 by 1 into 10 raised to 7, you will get 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 molar. So, and for the fourth one, Ka value is 2 into 10 raised to 8 per molar, and Kd value is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 raised to 8, and you will get 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 8. So out of this, we have to choose the one with smaller value of dissociation constant, because smaller the dissociation constant, the more tightly bound the ligand is to the target and higher the affinity between the ligand for its target. So the first one, that is Kd is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 9 molar is the correct answer. That is the one which is having smaller Kd value. Now next one, which of the following information about TNF, that is tumor necrosis factor, is not true? So it is a disease. That is not true. It is not any disease. It is TNF is involved with inflammatory conditions. Then it can kill certain tumor cells. And the two members of the TNF family are TNF alpha and TNF beta. Then TNF is actually a group of cytokines which are mainly secreted by macrophages and can induce cell death of certain tumor cells. So option B is tumor necrotic factor. Then belong to cytokine family, yes. Then TNF alpha and TNF beta. So all the three are correct except the first one, that is it is a disease, is not correct. The diaphragm separates the chest and the abdomen. So answer is option C or option number 3. So next question. Allergies result from the production of dash antibodies directed against an antigen. So allergies are due to the production of IgE antibodies. So answer is option B, IgE. The site of gluconeogenesis are liver and kidney. So answer is option D. Then biological oxygen demand or BOD is a measurement of. Now the degree of impurity of water due to the presence of organic matter that is measured in terms of biological oxygen demand or BOD. Now BOD is the oxygen required by microorganism to completely metabolize organic waste or organic matter present in water. So biological oxygen is option D, dissolved oxygen consumed by aerobic bacteria for biomass degradation. So answer is option D. Next one. The terminal electron acceptor during mitochondrial respiration is oxygen. Answer is option A. Which of the agricultural challenges below cannot be solved with transgenic techniques? So transgenic plants are plants that have had their genomes modified through genetic engineering technique, either by the addition of a foreign gene or removal of certain detrimental gene. And genetically modified crops are not completely organic in nature. So what are the agricultural challenges below cannot be solved with transgenic techniques? Biotic stress killing the plant, that you can solve. Public concern about having organic vegetables, no. Genetically modified crops are not organic in nature. Then heat stress killing the plant, yes. Public concern about the safety of synthetic herbicides, yes, that also can be solved by using transgenic techniques, but public concern about having organic vegetables cannot be solved. Then cells of endosperm they are triploid in nature. Coming to the next question, then which of the following is not directly associated with regulation of eukaryotic gene expression? Methylation of histone. Now methylation of DNA results in the gene being turned off, and thus the protein made from the gene is not produced. So methylation of histones also result in non-production of proteins or methylation of DNA. Then acetylation of histones has been correlated with transcriptionally active chromatin in a wide variety of cell types. So acetylation of histones will result in increase in transcription. Then activation of caspases, that will be the answer. So which of the following is not directly associated with regulation of eukaryotic gene expression is activation of caspases. They are involved with apoptotic pathways. Then the common feature amongst nucleus, chloroplast and mitochondria is all three are having DNA. So answer is option C. Caspase is a type of protease and it is involved in programmed cell death or apoptosis. So answer is option 2, protease. Then zymogen is an enzyme precursor. And enzyme precursor or zymogen, also called as proenzyme, is an inactive precursor of an enzyme. It is an inactive precursor of an enzyme. Then next one, which of the following genera fixes nitrogen non-symbiotically? Answer is option C, Azotobacter. There are two types of nitrogen fixing bacteria, that is free living non-symbiotic bacteria and non-free living symbiotic bacteria. Free living bacteria include cyanobacteria, Azotobacter, Clostridium, etc. Then symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria include Rhizobium and Bradyrhizobium. So option D is a symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria, whereas option C is non-symbiotic, and they have asked for nitrogen fixation by non-symbiotic method. So that is carried out by Azotobacter. Then collagen is described as it is a triple helical fibrous protein. So answer is option A, that's a direct question. Then protection of the body from infectious organisms is accomplished by which of the tissues? So it is carried out by blood tissue. Then parallel venation is characteristic of? It is characteristic of grasses. In this, the veins run parallel to one another from the base to the tip of the leaf. So that is parallel venation, and it is found in grasses. The junction between nerve cells are known as? The junction between nerve cells are known as synapses, or they are also called or they are the site of transmission of electric nerve impulses between two nerve cells or between neuron and a gland or muscle cell. And a synaptic connection between a neuron and a muscle cell is called neuromuscular junction. So answer is option C, synapse. The terms cistron, muton, recon were introduced by Seymour Benzer. He divided the gene into subunits, that is cistron, that are units of function, recon, they are units of recombination, and muton, they are unit of mutation on the basis of his work done in the bacteriophage T4. Then, phospholipids have hydrophilic and hydrophobic areas within the same molecule. This dual nature of the molecule is described by the term. It is described by the term amphipathic. Then protein denaturants include base, salt, acid, surfactants. Answer is option A, surfactants. Next one. A contaminated food was detected with cells of E. coli. What may be the possible mode of contamination? It is E. coli were detected, so naturally it is fecal contamination. So answer is option D. Which of the following take parts in opsonization? So complement C3b take parts in opsonization. The complement components known to be involved in opsonization are C1q, C4b, C3b, IC3b, C3dG and C3d. And what are adjuvants? They are substances that increase or modulates the immune response to a vaccine. And what are haptens? Haptens are small molecules that elicit an immune response only when attached to a large carrier such as a protein. The carrier may be one that also does not elicit an immune response by itself. Synergids, they are found in the egg along with the egg apparatus in angiosperms. Then, which of the following is an uncoupler of oxidative phosphorylation? Uncouplers of oxidative phosphorylation in mitochondria, what they do is they inhibit coupling between the electron transport and phosphorylation reaction and thus inhibit ATP synthesis without affecting the respiratory chain and ATP synthase. So dinitrophenol or DNP is an example of an uncoupler of oxidative phosphorylation. It has the ability to separate the flow of electrons and the pumping of H positive ions for ATP synthesis. This means that energy from electron transfer cannot be used for ATP synthesis. So that is dinitrophenol. One of the following groups of compounds is secondary in origin in biological systems. So what is this? Organic acids, organic solvents, vitamins, alkaloids. Alkaloids are secondary metabolites, whereas others are not secondary metabolites in plants. Then next one. The major protein responsible for storage of iron is, that is ferritin. Answer is option A. Now, a messenger RNA has 336 nucleotides long, including the initiator and termination codons. The number of amino acids in the protein translated from this mRNA is. So the messenger RNA is 336 nucleotides long and it has initiator and that is including the initiator and termination codons. So 333 by 3 divided by 3 will be the actual codons that determine the amino acid. The initiator codon is included since it codes for methionine, but the final 3 bases or termination codons do not specify any amino acid and thus they are not included. So 336 minus 3 codons, which would be equal to 333 divided 3. Now which would incorporate 111 amino acids into a protein. So answer is option B, 111. 11. Then enzyme required for removing RNA primer during DNA replication is it is DNA polymerase 1. It has 5' 3' exonuclease activity. So DNA polymerase 1 remove RNA primers and fill the gap between Okazaki fragments with DNA. Then next one. Protein synthesis takes place on structures called as ribosomes. So answer is option A. Next one. The blood cell that transport oxygen within the body are, so they are erythrocyte. The main job of RBC or erythrocyte is to carry oxygen from the lungs to the body tissues and carbon dioxide as waste product away from the tissues and back to the lungs. Now hemoglobin is the important protein in the RBC that carries oxygen from the lungs to all other parts of our body. Next one. Rice, corn and wheat they are all monocots. So answer is option D. Then Nitrosomonas is, so that is a nitrifying bacteria. Answer is option B. Nitrifying bacteria include ammonia oxidizing bacteria, that is Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus, that oxidize ammonia to nitrous acid, and nitrite oxidizing bacteria that oxidize nitrous acid to nitric acid, that is Nitrobacter and Nitrococcus. The metabolic process is called as nitrification. Then next one. Which of the following groups is amenable to artificial culturing in agar plates? So the one which is amenable to artificial culturing in agar plates, rust fungi or uridinales. Now next one. Porcine insulin differs from human insulin by, it differs only in terms of one amino acid. So answer is option C, one amino acid. The mad cow disease is caused by certain. So the mad cow disease is a progressive fatal neurological disorder of the cattle resulting from infection by prions. So answer is option D, prion. So next one. Adenosine deaminase deficiency leads to. So adenosine deaminase deficiency, it leads to severe immune deficiency disease. It is a metabolic disorder that causes immunodeficiency. It is caused by the mutation of the ADA gene. So answer is option B, severe immunodeficiency disease. Then pattern recognition molecule does not include. So the microbe specific molecule that are recognized by a given pattern recognition receptor or PRR are called as PAMPs, or pathogen activated molecular pattern, or PAMPs. And these include bacterial carbohydrates such as lipopolysaccharides, mannose, nucleic acids such as bacterial or viral DNA or RNA, bacterial peptides, that is flagellin, microtubule elongation factors, peptidoglycans, and lipoteichoic acid of gram-positive bacteria, N-formyl methionine, lipoproteins, and fungal glucans and chitin. So answer is, the one which is not included is oleic acid, or option B. The first discovered antibiotic was penicillin. So answer is option B. Then water droplets assume the spherical shape due to surface tension. So answer is option C. Digitalis is a drug obtained from the dried leaves of the common foxglove plant. That is, botanical name of foxglove is Digitalis purpurea, and is used in medicine to strengthen contractions of the heart muscle. So the answer is option A, dried leaves of foxglove. Then extra chromosomal DNA is not found in. Extra chromosomal DNA is not found in ribosomes. So answer is option D. Then who discovered X-rays? X-rays was discovered by Wilhelm Conrad Rontgen. Answer is option B. The reactants of photosynthesis are carbon dioxide and water. Answer is option B. The nitrogen bases which pair with two hydrogen bonds are adenine and thymine. Answer is option C. Then next one. Which one of the following is not true of meiosis? So they have asked for meiosis. The crossing over, reduction division resulting in the n number of chromosome, pairing of homologous chromosome and separation of chromatids during anaphase 1. So during anaphase 1 what happens is homologous chromosomes separate to each side of the cell and the centromere is intact. Whereas in anaphase 2 the sister chromatids separate and the centromere splits into two, which result in two separate chromatids. So separation of chromatids takes place during anaphase 2, not in anaphase 1. So which is not true of meiosis is option D. Most frequently used amino acid for stabilization of the biopharmaceutical products. Answer is option A, proline. The human growth hormone HGH is secreted by pituitary gland, the anterior pituitary gland. So answer is option B. Alpha ketoglutarate serve as one of the keto substrate in the formation of nopalin. Answer is option A, nopalin. The octopine family is formed when pyruvate is involved in the condensation reaction, not alpha ketoglutarate. Then the insertion of three nucleotides into an open reading frame cannot result in a frameshift mutation. So frameshift occurs if the insertion or deletion of nucleotides is not a multiple of 3. Since codons are read in groups of 3, an insertion of 3 or 6 would not cause a shift in the position of all subsequent nucleotides. Then next one. Hemoglobin shows non-linear absorption curve for oxygen uptake. Answer is option C. Next one, vancomycin is an antibiotic medication used to treat a number of bacterial infections. It is a glycopeptide antibiotic. So answer is option D. EcoR1 is a restriction enzyme used in recombinant DNA technology. So answer is option A. The first reaction in glycolysis is phosphorylation of glucose, which is catalyzed by hexokinase. So hexokinase phosphorylates glucose using ATP as the source of phosphate, producing glucose 6-phosphate, a more reactive form of glucose. The next one. The key organic acid involved in amino acid formation in the TCA cycle is alpha ketoglutaric acid. Answer is option A. The class of enzymes that are involved in triggering events in the cell cycle are called cyclin dependent kinases that regulate cell cycle. So answer is option C, kinases. 5' 3' exonuclease activity is associated with. Answer is option C, that is DNA polymerase 1. It has 5' 3' exonuclease activity required for DNA repair functions. Then, which of these is required for aerobic cellular respiration? During aerobic cellular respiration, glucose reacts with oxygen forming ATP that can be used by the cell. Carbon dioxide and water are created as byproducts. So, answer is option D, oxygen. When pressure increases, temperature decreases drastically. Temperature increases, temperature decreases slightly, temperature remains the same. So there is a direct relationship between pressure and temperature. So when pressure increases, temperature also increases. Answer is option B. Hybridoma it is the fusion between B cell and myeloma cell. So answer is option B, that is fusion of B cell and myeloma cell. So answer is option D, not B. It is B cell and myeloma cell. Then next one. Living unstained wild type cells and microorganisms can be best observed using. They can be best observed using phase contrast microscopy. Answer is option B. Then 1 atomic mass unit equal 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilograms. Answer is option A. What is the average lifetime of erythrocyte after entering the blood? It is 120 days. Answer is option B. Then lichens are described as, they are actually sensitive to air pollution. So they are air pollution indicators, especially sulfur dioxide pollution. So answer is option C, air pollution. Protoplast fusion can be encouraged by the addition of polyethylene glycol. Answer is option C. Which of the following type of molecule is always found in prions? That is protein. Answer is option A. Then ribosome display method is used to detect. So ribosome display is a technique used to perform in vitro protein evolution to create proteins that can bind to a desired ligand. The process results in translated proteins that are associated with their mRNA progenitor, which is used as a complex to bind to an immobilized ligand in a selection step. The mRNA protein hybrid that bind well are then reverse transcribed to cDNA and their sequence amplified via PCR. So the end result is a nucleotide sequence that can be used to create tightly binding proteins. You can find more about this in Wikipedia. What is ribosome display? So it is meant for protein RNA interactions. Answer is option C. Then locomotor organ of amoeba is pseudopodia. So answer is option A. The loss of an electron by a molecule is called oxidation. So answer is option D, oxidation. A mutation deleting an upstream activating sequence for a single gene would be expected to be cis-dominant. So answer is option C. The largest fragment of foreign DNA could be maintained in which of the following vector? You can maintain out of the given, can maintain in YARC, that is yeast artificial chromosome vectors, because they clone DNA fragments up to 1000 kb in size. The process by which viruses bring about bacterial recombination is termed as transduction. Answer is option B. Then dinitrophenol uncouples mitochondrial electron transport from oxidative phosphorylation by I have already discussed this in the previous question. So dissipating a proton gradient. So answer is option D. The random movement of particles in solution towards a uniform distribution is termed as diffusion. So answer is option C. All of the following are proteins within the core nucleosome particle except. Now nucleosome is the fundamental subunit of a chromatin and it is composed of little less than 2 turns of the DNA wrapped around a set of 8 proteins called histones, which are known as histone octamer. Now this histone octamer, it is composed of 2 copies each of histone proteins, that is H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. The nucleosome core particle consists of about 146 base pair of DNA wrapped around the histone octamer. Now there is another one called as the H1, that is the linker histone. They are key component of chromatin and bind to the nucleosomal core particles around the DNA entry and exit site. Then H1 can stabilize both nucleosome structure and higher order chromatin architecture. So answer is, which is not involved in the core nucleosome, is H1. It is a linker protein. So answer is H1, whereas H2A, H3 and H2B are found in the core of the nucleosome. Then next one, protein which plays a significant role in aging is. So actin plays an important role in embryogenesis, the healing of wounds and the invasivity of cancer cells, whereas myosin plays an important role in muscle contractions and a variety of movements of non-muscle cells including cell division. Then elastin plays an important role in the biomechanical functions of vital body tissues and organs such as heart, lungs, skin and the vocal folds. So the one which is left out is, which has plays a significant role in aging, is collagen. Answer is option B. Then acid fast staining is used to identify, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So answer is option A, Mycobacterium. Where do protons accumulate in mitochondria? They accumulate in the intermembrane space. So protons accumulate in the intermembrane space in the mitochondria as electrons move in the electron transport chain present in the inner mitochondrial membrane. Then this proton gradient across the membrane drives ATP synthesis by oxidative phosphorylation. Then next one, tiny cluster of microscopic particles of less than 100 nanometers are called as nanoparticles. Answer is option A. Antibodies or immunoglobulins are made of glycoproteins. Answer is option D. The portion of the cardiac glycosides to which a sugar molecule is bounded are. Cardiac glycosides are a class of organic compounds that increase the output force of the heart and increase its rate of contraction by inhibiting the cellular sodium-potassium ATPase pumps. Their beneficial medical use are as treatments for congestive heart failure and cardiac arrhythmias. The general structure of cardiac glycoside consists of a steroid molecule attached to a sugar glycoside and an R group. So answer is, the portion of cardiac glycosides to which sugar molecule is bounded is to a steroid. So answer is option D. Then next one, the helices in the alpha-alpha super secondary structure are held together primarily by favorable R group interactions. Answer is option A. Then cotton bollworm, namely Helicoverpa armigera, belongs to the order. It belongs to the order Lepidoptera. Answer is option B. Sulfur drugs reassemble para-aminobenzoate and act as a competitive inhibitor and therefore are used as antibiotics. Which pathway do sulfur drugs act upon? So sulfur drugs act upon a specific enzyme called as DHPS, and this enzyme is critical for the synthesis of folate and essential nutrients. Mammals get folate from their diet, whereas bacteria must synthesize this vitamin. So answer is option C, folic acid biosynthesis. Then water acts as a substrate in case of photosynthesis. Answer is option B. The net gain of ATP in glycolysis is. Answer is option C, 2. Then Gauss's hypothesis or principle is not related to. So Gauss's hypothesis or principle states that no two species can occupy the same niche indefinitely for the same limiting resources. And what is niche specialization? Is a process where evolution through natural selection adapts a species to a particular set of abiotic and biotic characteristics within a habitat, that is, to specialize in living in that particular ecological niche. That is niche specialization. Excuse me. So answer is option A, no competition. Then, which of the following is a semi-synthetic antibiotic? So, ampicillin is a semi-synthetic antibiotic. Then, quantitative traits refer to a trait controlled by multiple genes. So, answer is option C. Mitochondrial lipogenesis requires NADPH. Answer is option C. Vitamins are essential to the human diet because they act as coenzymes. Answer is option C. Then methanogens do not use one of the following as food source. So methanogens are known to produce methane from substrates such as H2CO2, acetate, formate, methanol and methylamines in the process called as methanogenesis. So then, penicillin G is an antibiotic that inhibits peptidoglycan synthesis, thereby blocking cell wall synthesis. If a gram-positive bacterium is kept in an isotonic solution with an inhibitory concentration of penicillin, which of the following observations will be true? So the answer is they will be unable to synthesize cell wall and therefore get lysed. And next one. What is the difference between apoptosis and necrosis? Apoptosis is programmed cellular destruction and necrosis is cell death due to damage. So answer is option B. What is the full name of NDM1? Is an enzyme that makes NDM1 is an enzyme that makes bacteria resistant to a broad range of beta-lactam antibiotics. So answer is option C, New Delhi metallo-beta-lactamase 1, that is the full name of NDM1. Then jumping genes were discovered by Barbara McClintock. Answer is option C. A lysogen is A bacteriophage DNA inserted into chromosome of bacterial cell. So answer is option D. Then one of the following that is not useful in diagnosis of HIV infection is. So CD2 is to CD4 ratio is not useful. So that's it for the question paper discussion. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.